Today we will be testing the Auto SuperTrend Plus indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Auto SuperTrend Plus indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 60 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 782 indicators, with 317 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 20 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one so far was able to achieve a 76% win rate. Now, keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Auto SuperTrend Plus indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so the setup on this is pretty simple. The SuperTrend indicator, this is visually just like the standard SuperTrend. You can see that we have these red dots and lines here. We have these green dots and lines here. Kind of similar to the parabolic SAR. The SuperTrend will jump from above trend to below trend to above trend, depending on, or below price action to above price action, I guess I should say, not trend. And that is designating the trend change as price action goes along. And so, as you can probably guess, what we are going to do is we are going to look for the color switch in the SuperTrend indicator here. And so when it switches from a red to a green below price action, we are going to go long. When it switches to from a green to a red and is above the price action, then we are going to go short. And so that is the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. We get that switch from the red super trend here to the green super trend, and it jumps down below price action here. We get a little bit of consolidation, kind of sideways here, a little bit of a pullback to the downside, but then it does kind of recover and starts to make that nice push to the upside there. And that does come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, we then pick up a short signal right here on this one. Again, we get that switch. We have the green super trend going on here, and it flips, switches to a red super trend color right here, and makes a nice push to the downside there pretty much immediately after entering into the trade. Looks like we definitely get to our take profit. Yep, we got to our take profit nicely there. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, there we go. Sorry about that. So we pick up another long signal right here on this one. I don't know why I was measuring it off the top of this candle, but I needed to be measuring it from below, and we were able to make a nice push to the upside there on that long signal. Just barely touch our take profit before it then rolls over, starts to push down, and just kind of bounce around a little bit right there. And so another winning trade there. Let's go ahead and finish out the year. All right, so before we take a look at what it was able to achieve over the 1 year's time, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Patreon channel here, or our Discord server in general. Discord server is free to join. Anybody's welcome to join, take advantage of any of the conversations in any of the other channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel specifically set up for our patrons, where you can join and take advantage of some advanced information that we are putting out for everyone to see. For example, our admin Jay is doing a great job trading the futures market, and he will put up charts like this where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, where he is kind of looking to take trades. We'll even give a write-up on kind of exactly what it is that he's looking for, where his head is, and so on. We also have another member, Sasquatch. He is an awesome Forex prop trader, doing a great job of putting up charts for the Forex market like this, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, even sometimes where he is looking to take trades. And so he'll mark out kind of exactly where he is looking to take an entry, and we'll have the stop and the take profit, everything mapped out for you to take a look at. And we'll often kind of communicate exactly what it is that he is looking at, what piqued his interest and stuff like that. Constantly doing different tests on different things. A lot of great information for everybody to take advantage of here. I highly recommend that you join us here and take advantage of that information. All right, so back to our indicator here. So we had the 3 trades within the 1 year, and all of them were winning trades. And so obviously that is going to get us to that 60% criteria that we're looking for. This one's going to be marked down as one of the 100% winners. 3 trades, not wonderful, but not horrible either. And so we'll definitely see what this does in the advanced testing once we roll around to it. And its time comes up. We can put it through a little bit more thorough testing to see if it holds up over a larger number of trades. And so, but for now, we are going to put this one on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.